The National Court has temporarily stayed the suspension of Fraud Director Matthew Damaru. An urgent application was filed this afternoon at the Waigani National Court after a notice of suspension was issued to Mr. Damaru on Saturday. Among other interim orders granted, the court was satisfied there is a case to answer. Sheila Malkin reports.
After the suspension notice to have the fraud director suspended for 21 days over insubordination, Mr. Damaru sought to have the matter addressed by the court. Today, an ex parte application filed on Sunday was heard. Lawyer representing Damaru, Greg Higgin, addressed the court on the suspension of his client and why the court should intervene pending a proper hearing. Lawyers representing the police commissioner and state couldn't present anything to prevent the judge from issuing the interim orders. The two main orders were to have Damaru's suspension stayed and prevent Police Commissioner Gary Baki, Assistant Police Commissioner Crimes Victor Isove, from taking any further steps from suspending Mr. Damaru.
The court has actually stayed Mr. Damaru's suspension, pending the matter coming up on the 9th of May. So effectively, Mr. Damaru's suspension has been stayed by the court. And further restraining any interference, intimidation, threat, or further suspension of members also extends to also members of the fraud squad as well.
Well, on an interim basis, I'm happy with the decision of the court. But I should say here that I have been suspended for just simply doing my job. I have never breached any administrative procedures that I know of. I was simply doing my job and serving the interests of this country, interests of justice, upholding the rule of law and the Constitution. And it was really unfortunate. And this is despite my discussion with the Commissioner on Tuesday, the 12th of this month, that we came to some understanding that we should all work together. This was after seven months of drought. No communication whatsoever from the Commissioner. Yes, totally deserted us. I'm a Papua New Guinean, I fight for Papua New Guinea. And that's where my heart is. And I'm simply doing my job.
It was revealed Damaru was suspended over an ongoing investigation by the fraud squad involving the Simbu provincial government. Parties return to court next Monday. Sheila Malkin, NBC National News, Port Moresby.